Good morning, student. Another question saying a line in the xy plane passes through the origin. So very important, origin here means it passes through a point 0, 0. And has a slope of 1 over 7. Slope means m means rise over run, which means the difference of the y, rise, y2 minus y1, over the run, x2 minus x1. Now, I have already one point, so I can say this could be x1 and y1. I have it already. Which of the following points lie on the line? So first of all, I'm gonna find something very important. If I want to draw this line, I see the slope is positive. That means the line is going up. Going up with a way that the rise, it's 1, and the run, it's 7. So this is 1 over 7. And it's going up because it's positive. It's positive sign. So if my original point is 0, 0, I can figure out which one it can be on this line. And actually from this I can predict that there is a point here, and this point it's 7, 1. Okay, now if I check the 7, 1, I'm not gonna find it here in this list. But I need to find something that it can give me the same slope. And the first thing that's gonna attract my attention is number D. Why? Because it's 14 to 2. That means if I continue this line, and I'm gonna say, let's say I want to make this line longer with this way, in this case, the 1 will become 2, and instead of 7, it's gonna be 14 with this way. So I have 2 and 14. So we are saying rise over run. So if I have a slope which is 1 over 7, in the first case 1 over 7 is clear. In the second case 2 over 14, and if I simplify 2 and 14, it's going to give me 1 over 7, so it's equivalent. So in this case, this point is going to be what? It's going to be 14 to 2. And here, this is the right answer. But 0, 7, it's not correct. The 1, 7, it's not correct. It should be 7, 1. So this is little bit malicious. Some students, they can choose this one. But in our case, we need to know that the x coordinates first, and after that the y coordinates. So 7, 1 or 14, 2. So 14, 2 is the right answer. Next. For the function g defined above, a is a constant and g4 equal 8. What is the value of g negative 4? So you see here right away there is a function gx, and we know very well the gx with this way means the function of x, because I see the x here in this function. However, the a, it's unknown. So to find g minus a with numbers like that, I have to find a. So they give me something to help me. They told me g4 equal to 8. So let me work with this one. g4 equal to 8 equal to, g4 means I substitute any x by 4. So it's going to be x a time x square, which means 4 square plus 24. That means 8 equal 16 a square, 16 a plus 24. Now if I want to isolate the a, I'm going to ask the 24 to come to the other side. So it's going to be 8 minus 24 equal to 16a. 8 minus 24, that means the 24 is going to lose 8. So it's going to be 20, and after that 16. So negative 16 equals 16a. Now to isolate the a, I divide by 16 from both sides. 16 will cancel 16, so that means a equal -1. So this is the first thing that I needed, which is very important. So now I can change the function gx to -1, which means -x squared plus 24. And now it's going to be very clear. So now the question is saying, what is the value of the function of -4? So g -4 means what? Means I substitute the x with -4. So that means negative x, which means -4 squared plus 24. Here we have to be careful that -4 squared means positive. Negative times negative equal positive. Positive 16, that means negative positive 16 plus 24. That means negative 16 now plus 24. So that means 24 minus 16, it will give me right away positive 8. So that means the right answer should be A with positive 8. Thank you for your attention.